guys, it's Angie. We are here at Battle Brew, and today I'm going to make another classic cocktail called The Last Word. First, you want to get your glassware ready. This is a coupe. If anyone asks for a cocktail served up, this is what they get. This is a shaken cocktail, and we're going to use our Boston shakers here. For our first ingredient, gin, we're using Aviation Gin, owned by Ryan Reynolds, otherwise known as Deadpool. And it's 3/4 ounces. Then the next ingredient is one of my personal favorites, green chartreuse. This is very, very old liqueur, herbal liqueur. It is made in France. It was made in a couple other places as well. This formula is still a secret formula and it tastes amazing. So 3/4 ounces of this as well. And then 3/4 ounces of LUXARDO Maraschino liqueur, a super sweet cherry liqueur. And last but not least, 3/4 ounces of lime juice. And then you'll want to add a decent amount of ice to your shaker and give it a good shake. And strain it out into your coupe. And just a couple small dashes of Angostura bitters on top, just another aromatic bitter. And you have a last word. This is one of my personal favorites. Very, very boozy. It reminds me of winter. It's very light, but it has a very, very bold flavor. The green chartreuse sticks out a lot in this, and it's just very tasty. Hope you guys like it.